Okay, got a new scent. This one just came out by Lattafa. I had to go on eBay to get it because I couldn't find it anywhere. Literally could not find it, even on Lattafa's page, which is weird. But this is the Love in Paris by Lattafa. This is, ooh, nice packaging too. It looks like that. No, I got that ring light in there, but in all the Pride collection, this is Lattafa Pride. Come in like this box, like that brioche one I got. Comes in that box. It's like a little black sticker thing. You get your box. Oh my God, they always sell me more stuff. The cap is never on when it ships, I guess, because the last one wasn't either. This is the, it says top caramelized apple, heart, pomerose, maple syrup, benzoin base, roasted tonka bean, patchouli, amber, and cashmerian. Wait, that doesn't, where's the base note? No, Lattafa, calm down. Okay, so the top is caramelized apple, heart is pomerose, maple syrup, and benzoin. Base is roasted tonka bean, patchouli, amber, and cashmerian. What is it say about this scent? There's no write-up about it. Are you kidding? Usually they have like some kind of write-up about it, but let's smell her. Oh, wow, that's good. So it smells, wow. Lattafa is so good at differentiating like the spray out levels, like the top notes, the heart, and the base. You can smell them all. Go through like the whole story of the fragrance. It's I don't know how they do it. It's weird. Yeah. It smells like a, I've never been to Paris or France. I should have gone when I was in Germany. I could have hopped on a train and got there pretty quickly, but I was a private. They didn't let me off base very much. That is really good, y'all. That is very gourmand, but very grown-up gourmand. Wow, I smell that apple. But that's a good one. If you like gourmands, I like Lattafa in general because their fragrances are a whole experience, a whole story in a bottle. I don't know how they do it, but you know, like a lot of designer fragrances, all the notes are blended, so you can't really tell them apart. These, I like to be able to tell them apart. I don't want them all blended together. I want the whole story. You know what I mean? I want the beginning, middle, and end, like in a scent, and you get that with this. With all of their fragrances, I feel like, wow, that is so good. I don't know. I'm going to keep this box too because it's, I don't know how. I'm going to have to store, just like the other one, you got to spray it out about 10 times, leave it in a dark place. I don't know why they have to macerate. They have to do their thing. I absolutely think it is that good. You guys also check eBay. There's a lot of fragrance houses on eBay. Check them out because on Lattafa's website, Lattafa, I would also love you to sponsor me, or like, I would love to be on your PR list. Anyway, I would love you forever and ever and ever and ever and ever if you put me on your PR list. That'd be a dream. Lattafa, you outdone yourself again. You always do. I feel like the Middle Eastern fragrances is where it's at. It just is. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys for being here, and just go through all my videos and hype them all, please. And thank you. And put in the box below your favorite place, your favorite vacation ever. Where was it and what did you do? And how old were you? Were you like a teenager? Were you young with your family? Older with your family? Or like, I want to know, what was your favorite vacation so far in your life? And I will see you guys soon. Love you all. Bye.